How to make your Instagram account private. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna learn how you can make your Instagram account private. So all you have to do is go ahead and open Instagram app. If you haven't entered or if you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and log in to your account that you want to make it private. After you've logged in, all you have to do is go from homepage to your profile at the bottom right of the screen. After you're here, all you have to do is, you can see the three lines at the top right of the screen. Go ahead and press that. After you press it, there are multiple different options. Among those options, all you have to do is press settings. After you press settings, if you go ahead and check at Instagram settings, there it says privacy. After you press privacy, there you can see multiple options related to privacy. All you have to do is select the top option of the privacy settings that says private account. If you go ahead and turn it on, it might ask you if you want to switch to private account, and only followers will be able to share photos and videos. If you go ahead and confirm by pressing the switch to private button, your account is finally private, and that is how you can make your Instagram account private. If you got any other question, guys, feel free to ask in the comment section, and see you guys in the next one.